Serious sanitation lapses at the civil hospital Khliehriat have sparked outrage among residents of Khliehriat West Village, who alleged that untreated sewage and persistent foul odor from the hospital premises have severely affected their quality of life. The hospital, which serves as the main government healthcare institution in East Jaintia district, is now facing criticism for allegedly allowing its drainage network and toilet facilities to deteriorate. Villagers claim that damaged pipelines and overflowing tanks have been discharging waste, producing an unbearable stench that has engulfed nearby households. Residents say the situation has disrupted daily routines, with concerns mounting over possible outbreaks of waterborne and airborne diseases. Sources in the locality revealed that complaints had been raised on several occasions with the hospital authorities, including the medical superintendent, Dr. A. Lakyang. However, according to the villagers, no visible corrective steps were taken, leading to a steady escalation of the problem. The matter gained fresh momentum on the 25th of February 2026 when the Jaintia National Council JNC Khliehriat Circle formally petitioned the District Medical and Health Officer, Dr. D. Shila, demanding immediate intervention. The organization called for a comprehensive inspection of the hospital's sanitation system, urgent repair works, and a structured maintenance plan to avert future lapses. Responding to the appeal, a joint inspection was conducted on the 26th of February, involving the JNC Khliehriat Circle General Secretary Simbo Bayar Sumer, the DMHO and local leaders of Dongkli Washasem, including Wahe Dong Tabor Swer and Secretary Mebantay Lang Suklan. Officials present during the inspection reportedly acknowledged the seriousness of the sanitation breakdown and the prolonged delay in addressing it. Following the assessment, Dr. D. Shila assured community representatives that necessary directives would be issued to the hospital management for immediate rectification. While welcoming the swift response from the District Health Authority, the JNC asserted that it would maintain close oversight to ensure that assurances translate into tangible action. The Council cautioned that continued inaction would prompt stronger measures, including formal representations to the State Health Department, petitions before the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, and coordinated public protests. Terming the episode a grave administrative lapse, JNC leaders stated that a public hospital must not become a source of environmental and health risks. They urged upon authorities to treat the issue with urgency and restore safe living conditions for the affected residents without further delay.